After replacing a fuel pump, several common problems can occur that affect vehicle performance and reliability. The first major issue is fuel pressure problems. These manifest as engine hesitation or stalling, often caused by incorrect pump specifications or a faulty pressure regulator. Electrical connection issues are another common problem, resulting in intermittent pump operation or blown fuses due to corroded connectors or incorrect wiring. Fuel contamination from debris or an inadequately cleaned fuel tank causes rough idling and reduced fuel economy, potentially damaging the new pump. Priming issues lead to extended cranking times and can result from air leaks in the system or a faulty check valve preventing proper fuel flow. Let's examine these issues more closely with visual examples. This cross-sectional view shows how fuel pressure regulation works. The spring-loaded valve maintains proper pressure, and incorrect specifications can disrupt this delicate balance. Modern vehicles like this Mercedes EQS have increasingly complex fuel systems that integrate with multiple vehicle networks, making proper fuel pump replacement more critical than ever. Recent research reveals concerning quality control issues. AAA Automotive Research found a 35% increase in aftermarket fuel pump failures within the first 6 months of installation in 2024. This highlights the importance of using quality parts and following proper installation procedures to avoid these common post-replacement problems. The first step in troubleshooting fuel pump issues is verifying the pump's pressure specifications. Modern vehicles require precise fuel pressure, typically ranging from 30 to 80 psi, depending on the engine type. Electrical issues are a common cause of fuel pump problems after replacement. Clean all electrical connections thoroughly and verify proper voltage levels. A 12-volt system should show between 11.5 and 14.4 volts during operation. Contamination in the fuel system can cause immediate problems after pump replacement. Replace the fuel filter, flush all fuel lines, and clean the fuel tank if necessary to remove debris from the old pump. Proper priming procedures are essential to remove air from the fuel system. Follow the manufacturer's priming sequence, then pressure test all fuel lines to check for leaks that could cause performance issues. Modern vehicles often require ECU reprogramming after fuel pump replacement, especially when using aftermarket parts. The engine control unit needs to recognize the new pump's characteristics for optimal performance. Always use manufacturer-specified tools and procedures during installation. This prevents complications and ensures the fuel pump replacement is successful. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps will resolve most post-installation issues.